We'd better contact Keith. I don't feel so good. Oh. Come on, Steve, quit fainting and help me with this treasure. Yeah. Ugh. I think this is gonna take a while. Keep good care of those, Arnold. You should have seen what we went through to get those.
Do not question me, or I will destroy you! Blood! Yeah!
Jeez, what happened to him? I think he's seeing someone. You mean a date? Therapy.
So, Thunder, Torched, what happened after I left the fight? And didn't follow up at all? And never came back? I heard those 2 criminals followed you in.
Well, they didn't come back out.
Wait, you mean...
Hey, don't try to blow this out of proportion, Keith. It was only one of them.
There was only one of them? So what happened to the others?
Yeah, just ask the audience. We'll see if they were paying attention. Now come on, Steve, we gotta get to the museum.
Can I help you?
Johnny, take a look at this! Our faces are in the papers! Well, at least yours is. I think they cut me out. Wait, am I even in this? Not now, Steve. I've just received something a little more important. More important than the newspaper? What is it? Well, it seems our little trip got around to a few more people. It's from a Calvin Coolidge. Huh. Is he a friend of yours? No, Steve, it's the president. The president? Oh, I hope it's not Washington. He must have heard I was a Lincoln fan. Huh? What's this part about? You see, they said it'd be best if the government was funding us, rather than us going out with a gun whenever we want to. So this means... Well, they want us to open the museum in Washington. What? Washington? But if we move out to Washington, we'll have to leave this place behind and everything we've done here. I know, but think about it, Steve. The bigger funding would certainly do us good, and, well, we take a plane somewhere just about every week. It's not like one of those couldn't be back to California. Well, you do have a point. But what about Keith and Dr. Kilroy? Crikey, do you listen? Of course. Well, half the time anyway. Well, good luck with the museum, Kilroy. And your hearing. Goodbye, Dad.
Goodbye, Junior. Goodbye, Mr. Torched. I hope the new museum goes well.
Well, I've never been great at saying goodbye. Don't fall for it, Keith. He's just doing it for the Oscars. Oh, woe is me. Hey, do you think the Academy's watching?
Last call for flight ST-14 to Washington.
Well, that's our flight. Goodbye, Keith. Stay gold, Kilroy. What? I heard it in a book somewhere. Bon voyage, everyone!
Goodbye, Thunder. Goodbye, Torched. Goodbye, Junior.
You okay?
Oh, yes, of course. Just saying goodbye to some old friends.